Develop key IBM Cloud skills quickly with IBM Micro Learning, hands-on learning experience. Let's take a closer look at what you'll discover inside the lab. Once you have purchased the lab and entered your access code, you'll arrive at the digital learning platform. Here you'll find access to a step-by-step lab learning guide. You can download it or view it on your screen. And you'll be able to connect to the live online lab. Most of these hands-on lab learning experiences are designed to take 1 hour to complete, and very often you're getting up to 3 hours of access. When you go into the lab environment, you'll see a countdown clock located in the upper right area of the lab screen to help you manage your time. Click the lab image to launch the lab, and you have the flexibility to stop and return to the live lab anytime during the 14 days after you start the lab. Many labs are designed to be 1 hour, so it's quick. You'll have the option to spend the additional access time in the lab environment. We have a growing portfolio of labs from recent events. You can explore more at this URL. We invite you to learn more about these lab learning experiences, some of the most popular hands-on labs from IBM recent events. Explore the current IBM Micro Learning portfolio. This is quick, it's specific, and it's affordable. You can build your IBM Cloud expertise. Get started today with IBM's global training partner, Ingram Micro.